Adobe Photoshop versus Affinity Photo. In the vast universe of digital art, two stars shine particularly bright: Adobe Photoshop and Affinity Photo. For any creator, choosing the right software is like a painter choosing their perfect brush. It's a foundational decision that shapes every piece of work. This choice is more than just about features. It's about workflow, cost, and the very philosophy behind the tool. We stand at a crossroads where one path is well-trodden, and the other offers a fresh perspective. Today, we will navigate this landscape together, exploring the strengths and identities of these two creative powerhouses, helping you find the tool that truly speaks your language and amplifies your vision. From this contemplative space, let's first turn our attention to the industry titan, Adobe Photoshop. For decades, it has been the undisputed heavyweight champion, the lingua franca of photo editing spoken in professional studios worldwide. Its name is so iconic it has become a verb, a testament to its deep integration into our culture. This veteran tool brings a massive ecosystem of plugins, tutorials, and community support, but it also comes with a subscription model. This recurring cost represents a commitment, an ongoing investment into a platform that promises constant evolution, and the very latest in imaging technology, a true giant in the field. While the giant casts a long shadow, a formidable challenger has emerged: Affinity Photo. This application represents a different philosophy, one built on speed, efficiency, and accessibility for a new generation of creators. Its most significant feature isn't in a toolbar but in its business model: a single one-time purchase. This is a bold statement against the subscription trend, offering a sense of ownership and financial freedom that many artists crave. Affinity Photo isn't just a budget alternative. It's a meticulously engineered tool that promises professional-grade power without the long-term financial tether, making it an incredibly attractive proposition for many independent designers. Now that we have met our two contenders, let's move beyond philosophy and dive into their core functionality. At the heart of any photo editor is its layer system and adjustment tools, the fundamental building blocks of digital creation. Both Photoshop and Affinity Photo are masters in this domain, offering robust, non-destructive workflows. They are like two grandmasters of chess playing with slightly different pieces, but achieving the same strategic depth. The subtle differences in their user interface and workflow, their unique recipes for achieving a look, can have a profound impact on your creative momentum and overall experience, which we will explore next. Building upon these solid foundations, each program presents its own unique, standout features. Photoshop has recently ventured into the magical realm of artificial intelligence with tools like generative fill. This feature acts like a creative co-pilot, intelligently adding or removing elements with stunning realism based on simple text prompts. On the other hand, Affinity Photo champions pure performance and technical precision, with features like live, non-destructive filter layers and a focus on speed, even with massive files. It's a choice between an intelligent assistant who anticipates your needs and a perfectly tuned instrument that responds flawlessly to your every command. Beyond individual features, we must consider the ecosystem each tool inhabits, as no application exists in a vacuum. Photoshop is the centerpiece of the Adobe Creative Cloud, a sprawling, interconnected universe of applications for video, vector illustration, web design, and more. It offers seamless integration for professionals who work across multiple disciplines. In contrast, Affinity offers a trinity of perfectly harmonized apps: photo, designer, and publisher, that feel like they were born from the same DNA, offering a focused and unified workflow. The decision hinges on whether you need a sprawling, all-inclusive creative city or a beautifully designed, cohesive boutique studio for your work. After comparing their philosophies, features, and ecosystems, we arrive at the ultimate question: which one is better? The truth is, there is no single champion in this battle of the pixels. The best software is a deeply personal choice that depends entirely on your specific context as a creator. Are you a professional working in a large team where file compatibility with the industry standard is non-negotiable? Or are you a passionate freelancer, student, or hobbyist for whom budget and software ownership are paramount? The victor of this contest is not decided by us, but by your individual needs, goals, and creative journey. Considering these individual needs, let's make a clear recommendation for Photoshop. If your career demands collaboration with agencies, printers, and other professionals, its status as the industry standard makes it almost essential. Its subscription ensures you always have the latest, most powerful tools, including groundbreaking AI features that are reshaping creative workflows. For professionals, the cost is not just a fee. It is an investment in unparalleled capability, compatibility, and access to a constantly advancing frontier. It is the choice for the creator who must operate at the very peak of the commercial creative industry and integrate seamlessly. On the other side of the spectrum, our recommendation for Affinity Photo is equally strong. If you are an independent creator, a student, or a small business owner, the value proposition is almost impossible to ignore. For a single reasonable price, you get a perpetual license to a professional-grade tool that is fast, powerful, and a joy to use. This model empowers you to own your creative toolkit outright, freeing you from the mental and financial burden of monthly payments. It is the ideal choice for the self-sufficient artist who values performance, elegance, and complete control over their software assets. Ultimately, the choice between Adobe Photoshop and Affinity Photo is a wonderful problem to have, as both are magnificent tools. The best path forward is to find the software that feels like an extension of your own creativity, removing barriers instead of creating them. We encourage you to download the free trials and experience their workflows for yourself. Which digital canvas will you choose to bring your ideas to life? Please share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to grow your software English and creative skills with us. Thank you for watching.